Today I'm transforming pure silver into a stunning portrait of one of the most loyal companions, the pit bull. Watch as molten silver meets craftsmanship to bring this powerful breed to life. You won't want to miss this. So today I was going to talk about why I chose to do this pit bull print while this silver pour, but I've kind of changed my mind somewhat, and I thought I'd talk about something else instead. I've had a bit of a bad day. Well, I'll say a bit of a bad day. A horrendous day in the pouring shed today. I've been trying to do this 3D pour. It's been going on for about a year, and it's of a bison, of a buffalo, and I've tried it. I dread to think how many times. It's actually getting to the pouring shed's hard enough because there's a lot of prep work you got to do with it, and I just it's just soul destroying. It's just sapped me of all my energy and positivity. So I just can't do it. It was a really good challenge. It was really fun, and I was really looking forward to it, but it's not fun no more because the expectation, lots of people are asking when it's got done, and it's lovely because people want to know, but it's kind of put more and more pressure on, and it's just kind of, today it's just all culminated and got to me, and I poured it again and it just didn't work. I mean, the bit I was trying to get over was the legs, because the legs were basically really difficult to sandcast. It's an item that shouldn't really be sandcasted. It should be investment casted, where you make it in wax and then you burn it all away. That's how it should be done. But the challenge was to try and do it the old-fashioned way, like I do, and it's just not, for me, it's not possible. I haven't got the skill, I just can't do it, and it's just been, and I think you hear all the people on YouTube and motivational speakers and say, don't quit, keep going till you do it. Well, I've been on this year now, and I think it's just one of those things. I'm never going to be able to do it. I get parts of it, the legs work, then I don't get the back works, the face don't work, and I just can't put it all together. Perhaps one day down the line I might do, but I think it's come to the time now where I need to put a pin in it and go, you know what, this is causing me more aggravation than I'm ever going to get pleasure out of it. And it's not a pleasure no more. It's a chore's not the word. It's even more of a chore, and it's taking its toll. So I've called it a day on it. I've gone, right, that's it, I'm going to quit. So I'm a quitter. But yeah, and I think in life sometimes, I can't remember who said it, but the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. And that's where I am with this. I've done it that many times. I think I've tried to pour it 8 or 9 times. I lost count. And before that, it's all the prep. And I've tried that many times, and I just can't do it. So I think for my own sanity, I've just got to stop and take stock and go back to something that, gives me a bit more pleasure and a bit more fun. And it's stuff like this pit bull, this art bar now, that we're going to pour. And I think in life, sometimes you got to go to and do what gives you pleasure, and don't worry what people think. And I know that's difficult, because I really struggle with this, because I do worry what people think, and that's the part of the reason I've kept doing it. I don't want people to think I'm a failure. But I think with this one, I'm going to have to suck it up and go, right, I just can't do it. So if people think that's all well and good, and I'm just going to keep going, because the support I've had for it's been wonderful. People are like egging me on, come on, you can do it, you've got this. But sometimes you need the skill as well to go with it, and I just haven't got it. So I've just got to back to the drawing board and see if I can do it. So it's I think, as I say, in life you get all these people, you don't stop, keep going, like the David Goggins, even if your foot's hanging off, keep running. But I think sometimes that can be the wrong attitude. I'm all for positivity and let's go, let's put your big boy pants on and let's go. But I think you've got to be realistic sometimes. Not all the time. I'm one for, no, don't be realistic, let's really go for it. But now and again you've got to know when you need to call it a day. And I think that it crosses from silver pouring into lots of different things in life. And it's lessons you learn as you get older. And I've just got to, me personally, I've just got to take less notice of what people think, because 9 times out of 10 they're not thinking about you anyway. So that's the lesson I'm trying to learn from this one. And I'm just gonna, as I say, just leave it where it is. So there you go, there's the quench. This one's come out pretty cool. Look at this little bad boy. So that's what I got for you today. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you've enjoyed this pour, check this one out up here. This is another cracker of a silver pour.